Sum number 6 is find the product of the following. And the second part is 4x square minus 3z square, comma 4z square minus 3x square. Now there are two terms. Both are binomial here. First of all, I will put the sign of the multiply in between these two terms. So I will get 4x square minus 3z square multiply 4z square minus 3x square. Now you have to multiply the first term, that is 4x square, with the whole bracket of the second term, that is 4z square minus 3x square. Now take the second term of the first bracket, that is minus 3z square, and multiply with this whole bracket, that is 4z square minus 3x square. Now do the multiplication. Constant multiply with the constant. 4 4s are beta 16. X square z square minus 4 3s are 12. X square multiply with the x square, it power, it become 4. Now minus 3z square, when multiply with the 4z square, 3 4s are beta 12. Z square multiply with the z square, z power 4. 2 plus 2 4, so z power 4. Now minus 3z square multiply with minus 3x square, minus minus is plus. 3 3s are beta 9 here, and it is z square x square. Now look at the terms very carefully. If there are the like terms, we collect the like term. These two are the like terms. First of all, I will write down the unlike term, that is minus 12x4 minus 12z4. Now plus 16 x square z square, this is 9 z square x square. When I add these two terms, only add its coefficient, that is 16 plus 9, that is 25. So the answer is minus 12x4 minus 12z4, 16 plus 9 beta 25, and x square z square remains the same. Fourth part is 3y square plus 9y plus 3 multiply with 2y square minus 3y plus 7. But these are the trinomials. Now again we have to follow the same procedure, that is in case of binomial we follow the same here. We have to multiply the first term with the whole bracket. Then we have to take the second term, multiply with the whole bracket. Then we have to take the third term, multiply with the whole bracket. Now 3y square, it is multiplied with the 2y square minus 3y plus 7. The next term is 9y of the first bracket. Again it is multiplied with the 2y square minus 3y plus 7. And the third term is beta 3 here. It is multiplied with 2y square minus 3y plus 7. Now do the multiplication. 3y square, 3 2s are 6. Y square multiplied with y square, it is y4. Now again multiply 3y square with minus 3y. 3 3s are 9. It is 9y cube. Y square and there is y1. It becomes y cube. Now multiply 3y square with the 7. 3 7s are beta 21y square. Now come to the second term. Now I multiply 9y with the whole bracket. 9 2s are beta 18. Y to power 1. Here y is 2. It becomes y cube. 9y minus 3y. 9 3s are 27 y square. And 9 7s are 63 y. Now next term is 3 2s are beta 6 y square, 3 3s are 9y, and 3 7s are 21. Now beta collect the like terms. Now 6y4, write down. No other term of y4, so write it as 6y4. Now next term is minus 9y3, collect it with minus plus 18y cube. These both are the like terms because their power is variables are the same. That is minus 9y cube plus 18y cube. Now I collect the y square terms. This is y square, this is again y square. So collect it, 21y square minus 27y square. Now collect the y terms. That is 63y minus 9y plus 21. Here beta one more term 6y square is also here. So write down 6y square here also. Now simplify it further. 6y4 minus plus it is minus. 18 minus 9 it is 9. Sign of the greatest term plus 9y cube. 21 minus 27 it is minus 6y square. Again here plus 6y square plus 63y minus 9y, that is 54y plus 21. Now beta this 6y square cancel out with this 6y square. We are left with the answer, that is 6y4 plus 9y cube plus 54y plus 21. Sum number 7th is subtract 4x cube bracket 9 minus 5x from 2x square bracket 4x minus 3x square. First of all, we simplify the first term and this is your second term. 4x cube multiply with the 9 and 4x cube multiply with the 5x. 9 4s are beta 36x cube and 4 5s are 20x cube, and here x is 1, cube 3 plus 1 it become x4 from 2x square 4x. 2 4s are 8, x square multiply with x it become x cube. 2x square when multiply with the minus 3x square, 2 3s are 6, x square into x square it is x4. Whenever we have to subtract such terms, we have to write the second term first of all. And the second term is 8x cube minus 6x4. Now, in the second row, we should write down the first term simply below the like terms. Beta the first term is 8x cube. In below it, we write down the 36x cube. 20x4. In below the x4 term, we write down the minus 20x4. Because we have to do the subtraction here. Now change the sign. There is a plus sign, change it, it become negative. Minus sign, change it and it become plus. Now 8 minus 36. Plus minus, you know minus. 8 minus 36, it is minus 28x cube. This again minus plus minus. 20 minus 6, it is 14, and the sign we have to put of the greatest term, that is 14, that is 20. So the answer is minus 28x cube plus 14 x raised to power 4. Sum number 9th is add 4x cube minus y cube bracket close 2z cube to the product of 3 bracket 2y cube minus 4x cube and 2 5x cube minus 10z cube. Now beta we have the two terms. The first term is 4x cube minus y cube. It is multiplied with the 2z cube. Now multiply it with 2z cube multiply with beta 4x cube like this, and 2z cube multiply with y cube. When 2z cube multiply with the 4x cube minus 2z cube multiply with the y cube. Multiply the constant terms, that is 2 4s are 8, and here it is z cube x cube. Again minus 2, this becomes z cube y cube. This is your first term. Now take the second term, and the second term we will get after the multiplication of these two terms. And the 3 2y cube minus 4x cube multiplied by 2 5x cube minus 10z cube. First of all, I multiply 3 with this term and 2 with this whole bracket. 3 2s are beta is 6y cube and 3 4s are 12x cube. Multiply 3 with the both terms of this bracket. Again multiply 2 with the both term of the bracket. That is 2 5s are 10 x cube and 2 10s are 20 z cube. Now beta, we have to multiply these two terms of the first bracket with these two terms of the second bracket. Binomial, multiply with again binomial. Take the first term, multiply with the whole bracket. That is 6y cube multiply with 10x cube minus 20z cube. Now take the second term, that is minus 12x cube. Multiply it with 10x cube minus 20z cube. Now multiply 6y cube into 10x cube. Beta 6 10s are 60 y cube x cube minus 6 20s are 120 y cube z cube minus 12 tens are minus 120 x cube into x cube. It is x raised to power 6. Minus minus is plus, 12 20s are 240 x cube and z cube. Now these according to the statement we have to add the first term with the second term. Now we have to add first term plus second term. ठीक है. First of all I write down the second term. 60 y cube x cube minus 120 y cube z square minus, this is y cube z cube, yes, here is a z cube minus 120 x6 plus 240 x cube z cube. Now the first term is 8 z cube x cube. Write down below the like terms. Here x cube z cube is there beta, so write down 8 z cube x cube or x cube z cube is the same thing. And the second term is your minus 2 z cube y cube. This is your minus 2 z cube y cube and y cube z cube, it is the same thing. Now do the addition. We will get 60 y cube x cube minus minus is plus and the sign of the greatest term minus 120 plus 2 करेंगे minus 122 y cube z cube minus 120 x6 and this is 240 plus 8 248 x cube z cube. This is your answer.